Candlesticks and candlestick patterns are an excellent way to supplement your confirmations. The problem is you have to spend more time analyzing. To make you faster, we added automatic detection in the CLEO Prop Trading Platform. Under Indicators, you'll find the Candlesticks tab, where you'll find individual candles as well as more complex patterns. You can add multiple, and they'll be nested in the upper left. Some, like Engulfing, will appear often, while others, like Dark Cloud, cover rarely. So, you want to make them easily detectable. Each has a setting icon where you can edit the style. Add arrows, labels, and vertical highlights. You can then also change the color of each to make them pop as you scan the charts. Giving each a color you like will make it easy to differentiate them, so you can just go through the time period and catch them. Engulfing is a common occurrence, so if you'd like to focus on the rarer ones, you can quickly hide the ones you'd like. We'll link to the full list of available candlesticks in the description below. You can also choose to add only the label and keep your charts cleaner. Candlesticks are usually not the only confirmation factor and are used with other methods and indicators. As you switch assets and timeframes, the candlestick detection starts working on the newly selected ones. And your formatting stays as it was. If you'd like to add any indicators to your chart view to use with candlesticks, you easily can, choosing between custom takes on market structure and classics like RSI. To allow a clean view quickly, go to Hide Objects on the left and choose Hide Indicators, or hide all if you have drawings as well. You can then re-add all elements with a single click. The CLEO Prop Trading Platform is the first trading platform designed for prop firm traders. Trade smarter, execute faster, perform better on select crypto prop firms.